Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the oil life on your Acura ILX. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is in the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, use the info buttons, typically found on your steering wheel, to scroll through the display options. You'll want to find and highlight the Customize Settings menu. Once highlighted, press the SEL/Reset button to select it and proceed. After entering the Customize Settings menu, continue to scroll using the info buttons until you locate the Maintenance Info option. Select this using the SEL/Reset button. The display will then show the Oil Life Reset mode, along with any other maintenance items due. Take a moment to confirm these details before moving to the next step. Now, with the Oil Life Reset mode displayed, use your info buttons to highlight the Reset option. Once Reset is selected, press the SEL/Reset button one final time to confirm your choice. The system will then process the command, and your engine oil life display will successfully reset to 100%, indicating the process is complete. Remember, it's crucial to perform an actual oil change before resetting the oil life indicator to ensure proper vehicle maintenance. Always consult your Acura ILX owner's manual for any specific instructions or additional details unique to your model. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.